Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So let's suppose I run a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now I want that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead by submitting the form which I have created, the lead gen form, then immediately that same lead should be added in my CRM application and a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between all these applications, and that we are going to do without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, then you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up Facebook lead ad automation step by step. So here I'm going to take an example of real estate agency. Let's suppose I'm running a real estate agency, and to promote my business, I'm using Facebook lead ads, with the help of which I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page, Prime Properties. Okay. Now I want that as soon as the lead form will be submitted by my lead which I have created with the help of Facebook lead ads, then I want to add that lead in my Salesforce CRM, and then I want to send a follow-up message to that same lead on WhatsApp. So here I'm going to show you how you can set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect step by step in order to capture the lead response quickly and add that lead response to any other application automatically, that too without any coding or programming skills. So this is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we are going to set up connection between our Facebook lead ads account, Salesforce account and WhatsApp account. Okay. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, so you can directly click on sign in option. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So because I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in over here. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here to save our workflows securely, separately and accordingly. Okay, so here I'm going to click on create workflow option to create a new workflow, and as we have done that, our dialog boxes appeared in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So quickly I'm going to provide a name over here: automate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So according to the purpose, I have given the name. Now I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save my workflow. You can see I have multiple folders over here. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads marketing automation for saving my workflow, and let's click on create. As we have done that, two windows are open in front of us. So what are these? These are trigger and actions. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want according to our choice. Let's suppose here I want that as soon as I'm going to receive the Facebook lead through the ad which I'm running on my Facebook page, then I want to add that lead in Salesforce CRM, and further I want to send a WhatsApp message to that same lead to further communicate with them. So I'm going to take Facebook lead ads in my trigger, Salesforce and WhatsApp Cloud API in my action steps. But here we can clearly see that when we are going to set up connections between these applications, the actions are going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then only the lead will be added to CRM and a message will be sent to that lead after that only, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating the workflow step by step. So to start the workflow, first of all, we'll go towards our trigger step, and here we have to select our trigger application. Our trigger application over here will be Facebook lead ads. So let's select Facebook lead ads. As we have done that, now we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see we have two options over here: new lead or new lead instant. Here, because I want that whenever a lead will be generated through my Facebook lead ad lead gen form, then immediately and instantly the response should be captured. So new lead instant will be my trigger event over here. Let's click on connect. Now to build the connection, I'm going to go with add new connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now let's click on connect with Facebook lead ads. As we have done that, here my authorization is successful and the connection is made. How and why my connection has become so easy? Because I was already logged into my Facebook account. You can see that here this is my page on which I'm running my ad campaign and which I have connected. Okay, so you also have to keep in mind that you have to log into the applications which you are connected with Pabbly Connect, so that the connections could be made easily and effortlessly. As we have set up the connection, now we have to move forward towards selecting the page and the lead gen form. So these are the very important steps. First of all, we have to select the page on which we are running our ad. So here this is the page prime properties on which I am running the ad. So I'm going to select the same page from the drop down, prime properties, which I have created basically for my real estate agency. Okay. Now here I'm going to select the lead gen form which I have created for generating the lead. So here we have the lead gen form, lead ads form. I have selected that. After selecting the page and the form, we have to click on save and send test request button. Before moving forward, here I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page and I'm going to tell you that exactly what we are doing. Here, as I told you, for my real estate agency, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page to promote my business and to capture the leads. Okay, and that I am doing with the help of Facebook lead ads. So with the help of Facebook lead ads, I have also created a lead gen form and I've attached in the ad campaign which I'm running. So whenever a lead is going to submit that form, I'm going to receive the response inside Pabbly Connect for this lead. So what kind of benefits I'm going to get with this? So I'm going to target my audience. I can reach towards a targeted audience with this, because the leads who are interested in renting, buying or selling the properties, then only that lead will be submitting my form, otherwise not. Okay, and also I'm going to receive the leads instantly because I have selected the event, trigger event as lead capture instant. So I'm going to capture these leads instantly with the help of the lead gen form. All right. By using the pre-filled forms and tailored questions in my form, I can gather detailed information about potential clients, such as their property preferences, budget, or the location where they reside, contact details, which are going to help me to qualify the leads and focusing on serious buyers or sellers. So what I can do, I can add these leads in my CRM. I will be getting the details of the leads, such as contact number, email address, name, location, etc. and their preference. According to these responses, I'm going to add the lead in my Salesforce CRM account, and then further I'm going to send the follow-up message to all the leads related to their interest. I'm going to thank them for showing the interest in my business. Also, I'm going to send some kind of catalogs or PDFs related to the information of my business. So this will help me to quickly follow up all my leads with automated WhatsApp messages, and that I'm going to do with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, which will allow me to send template messages to all my leads. Okay, that we are going to discuss further. First of all, we have to set up the connection between the Facebook lead ad and Pabbly Connect, and we have already done that. So now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we have to capture the response. And how we are going to do that? It is showing waiting for webhook response. So in order to get this response, we have to submit the form which we have connected over here, lead ads form on this page. Okay, how we are going to get that form and how we are going to submit that? That we are going to do with the help of Meta for Developers. This is Meta for Developers. When we'll go towards the more option, here we have the option of tools. Under tools, here we have the option of lead ads RTO debug tool. When we'll select that, it is going to take us towards lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this tool, basically we are going to test our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Currently, because I'm not running a live campaign on my Facebook page, this is just a test connection which I have shown you, but therefore I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to test my connection with the help of lead ads testing tool inside Meta for Developers. You can also test your integration with the help of this, but when you will be running a live campaign on your page, and then once you will set up this connection successfully, after your connection, whenever a lead is going to submit the form, the response of that real lead will be captured automatically towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here let's quickly test our connection to capture the response inside Pabbly Connect. For that, we have to select our page first of all, and then we have to select the form which is already selected. Now this form contains the lead, and it is given over here that you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in the order to create a new one. So if you are using the form, if you are using an existing form over here, you have to delete the existing lead from that form in order to capture the response once again, because we are doing a test submission, so we cannot send multiple responses each time. So let's click on delete lead button to delete the existing lead from the form. And as the lead is deleted, we have to refresh the page over here, and once again we have to select our Facebook page, and the form is already selected. Now when we are going to click on preview form, the form is open in front of us. So basically this is a form through which I'm going to connect with my leads. When a lead is going to visit my campaign and when they are going to submit this form along with their details, I'm going to receive the details of that lead inside Pabbly Connect, which I'm going to use in order to add in CRM and to send follow-up messages. So first of all, I'm going to enter the details in this form to submit it to capture the response. And because this is just a test submission, so I'm going to use some random and dummy details over here. Let's select what type of property are you interested in. So I'm going to select, let's say, commercial. First name of the lead, let's say, is Smart, and the last name is, let's say, Lead. Email address smartlead3@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to enter the phone number, a random phone number, and a random city. Let's say Bhopal. After entering all the details, I will simply click on continue and we will quickly submit the form. As we have done that, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect to check whether we have received the response over here or not. And we can see that here we have received the response. In this response, you can see that we have received all the details. Here we have received the type of property in which the lead is interested, the name, email address, phone number, location of the lead, the date and time at which the lead is created, and much more details. This means that our connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now, once again, whenever we are going to receive the new response, a new lead from the lead ad form, then immediately the data of that lead will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now, further, when we have set up the connection, our objective is to add this lead into the CRM. So whichever CRM you are using, you can connect that CRM over here with your Facebook lead ads account. Here I'm currently using Salesforce, so I'm going to set up the connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So let's select our action application as Salesforce. Now we have to select the action event, that will be create a record. Okay, let's click on connect, and here I'm going to go with add new connection to build a new connection with Salesforce account, and I'm already logged into my account. So Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Salesforce account. Let's click on allow as it is 100% safe. As we've done that, we can see that our authorization has become successful and our connection between Salesforce and Pabbly Connect is also successful over here. So after connecting our accounts, we have to go towards the Salesforce object and all other details which we have to enter over here in order to create the record, in order to add that lead inside Salesforce. So first of all, we have to select lead over here because we are creating a lead. Okay. Then after doing this, here it is asking us first name, last name, title, company, etc. So one by one, we are going to enter all the details. Let's start with the name. Here we have already received the details of a lead in our earlier response. It is asking us for the last name. This is the last name of the lead which we have received. When we have selected this data, it is mapped. When we map our data by using our previous response, it becomes dynamic, and now with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So when we have mapped this last name, automatically whenever a new response of a new lead will be captured, instantly and automatically this last name is going to replace in this field with the new last name of that new lead. In this way, we are going to automate the entire process of adding the leads inside Salesforce whenever the lead is captured through Facebook lead ads. Now in the similar manner, we are going to map the first name as well. But in case if we will enter any data manually, then it will become static and then it is not going to replace with each and every new response. Therefore, to automate the process, we generally use mapping. Here it is required to enter here we are going to enter the company as well. So the company name I'm going to enter none because I have not received any kind of company name in my response. City, so I'm going to map the city which I have received. State and other details are not mandatory, so I'm going to ignore these fields for now. Now I'm going to map the mobile number which we have received, and here we have received the email address of the lead as well, and all other details are not that important, so I'm going to ignore these fields for now. Okay, and now I'm directly clicking on save and send test request button, and you can see that we have received the response. In this response, we have received the status as success, and this is the ID of the lead which is created inside Salesforce. So let's go and check whether the lead is created. After coming on this account, we have to go towards the lead section. And in the lead section, in the recent items, you can see that this is a new lead which is created with a name as Smart Lead. When I'm going to open this lead, you can see that these are all the same details which we have received of this lead. Here is the address, that means the city. We have the email, phone number, and the name. This means that our connection is absolutely successful up till now. Further, I want to send WhatsApp message to the lead in order to follow up the lead and convert them into the customers. So for that, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which has the official API access of WhatsApp for sending WhatsApp messages along with the template. So now I'm going to set up connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect for sending WhatsApp messages to the leads. So let's click on this add action step button, and here our action application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. After selecting the application, we have to select the action event that will be send template message. Let's click on connect. For building the connection, we have to go with add new connection. Then we have to enter the details over here, token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So how we are going to get all these details? For getting the details, first of all, you have to create your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And if you want to learn how you have to set up the account, you can go on learn more option given over here to learn entire steps. And also we have created a separate video for this entire process on our YouTube channel. Okay, you can go and explore that video as well. Now, in order to get the details, we have to go towards our WhatsApp Cloud API account, and that I have opened inside Meta for developers. So this is app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API inside Meta for developers. After coming over here, you have to go towards the API setup from the left side. Under API setup, you will find all the details. This is the temporary access token. Here we have the phone number ID, and here we have the WhatsApp business account ID. Currently, I'm using temporary access token, which is going to expire within 23 hours. But in case if you want to learn how to set up a permanent access token, for that you have to go towards this hyperlink, learn more, which is going to take you towards Pabbly forum page, where you will get all the steps which you have to perform in order to get the permanent access token. Here I'm going to copy the temporary access token. I'm going to go and paste it over here in this field. Now the next is the phone number ID. So let's copy that and we'll paste it over here as well. Now the next we have is the WhatsApp business account ID. Okay, done. We have entered all the details. So now let's simply click on save. As we have done that, we can see that WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After doing this, here we have to select the template name and all other details. So we have to create a template inside WhatsApp Cloud API in order to send automated messages to all our leads. So once again, I'm going to take you back towards WhatsApp Cloud API. And when we'll scroll down, here we'll see the option of click here. To create your own message template, click on this hyperlink. It is going to take you towards the message template section of WhatsApp Cloud API. And here we have all the templates which I have created for different purposes. Among these templates, I have also created a new template with the name as marketing to my real estate business lead. So I'm going to open this particular template and I'm going to show you exactly how my message is going to look. So this is the preview of my message. Hi demo user, thanks for reaching out to Prime Properties. We understand you are in the market of a property and we are here to help you find the perfect fit. Whether you are looking to grow your business, we specialize in commercial properties with prime locations and flexible layouts, thinking about buying your dream home. So I have all kind of properties, rent, residential properties, commercial properties, or even the properties for renting. So here I have sent a message to all my leads. So for whichever reason they are looking towards my ad campaign, they will get to know what kind of services and what kind of properties I deal in. Okay, so this is the message, and here I have used some variables inside my message so that I can send customize and personalize message to each of the lead without doing any manual process. So in the similar manner, you can create your own template by adding your own content in that as per the message which you want to send, and you can add variables as much you want in your template in order to make your template customized. Okay, once you will complete the template, you also have to send it for approval, and when it will be approved, you will be able to use it in order to send WhatsApp messages. So my template is currently approved, so I'm going to select the template name over here from the drop down. As we will select the template name, we will be able to get the language code as well as the template ID automatically. After doing this, we have to move forward and we have to enter all the details over here. And now we have to enter some other details such as recipient mobile number, header document, and etc. You can see that here in my template, I have used a PDF file also. I want to send a PDF document of the brochure or the services catalog which I have created and uploaded inside. So you can see that here I have the document with the name as Prime Properties. I am going to attach the link of this particular brochure with the message so that the customers or the leads can read the brochure. Okay. Now I'm going to go back towards the workflow. What we have to do, we have to quickly enter the details. So first of all, I'm going to map the phone number of the lead to whom we want to send the message. Then we have the header document URL. So here I'm going to go towards WordPress. This is the document. I'm going to copy the URL of this document, move back, and quickly I'm going to paste it over here. You can also similarly upload the file link over here which you want to send along with your message. And if you do not want to send any file, you just want to send the message, you can also go for that. In that case, you have to select the template type as text and not the file. Okay. Now here the next it is asking us the header document file name. What is the name of this document? So I'm going to enter Prime Properties Brochure. Alright, now we have to enter the body field. Body field is the value for the variable which we have added in our template. So I've added only one variable currently in my template, that is for the name of the lead. So here the body field will be the name. So I'm going to first of all map the first name. I'm going to use a space and this is the last name. Here the name is mapped. Now when I'm going to click on save and send test request button, the message will be sent. But now because currently I have used a dummy phone number in order to submit the form inside Facebook lead ad and in order to show you mapping. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter a real phone number in order to send a real message, and I'm going to show you that real message on my WhatsApp. So I'm going to enter my own phone number over here, and after that I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, here we have received the response. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. So let's go and check whether the message is received on the number which we have entered over here or not. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. Along with this message, the brochure is also received. You can see that in the message, the name of the lead is also given, Smart Lead. So when the lead is going to download this brochure and open it, they will be able to see the services and the properties which I am dealing in. Okay. So this means that our connection is absolutely successful and our workflow is also perfectly completed and it is successful. So let's quickly summarize what we have done over here in the workflow. I have shown you in the workflow how to set up connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect to transfer the lead response which we are receiving through your lead ad campaign to any other application automatically. Here I have taken the example of adding the leads details inside my Salesforce CRM and sending follow-up message to that lead through WhatsApp. So I have simply set up the connection between Facebook lead ads, Salesforce and WhatsApp Cloud API. But in case if you want to send the response of this lead to your team members on Google Chat Space or on Slack, you can add Slack or Google Chats Hangout as well in the action steps. Or if you want, you can also send SMS to your leads by adding Twilio over here. Or if you want to create a record of all these leads which you're receiving through your Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets, you can also add Google Sheets in your action step like that. So in the same manner, according to your requirements, you can add as many action steps in the workflow, and I've shown you how to set up connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So I hope your business is going to grow with this. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.